Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. Today I'm going to guide you through how to change your home address on Google Maps. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to change your home address on Google Maps, then the first thing to do is to open up your Google Maps application and make sure that you're logged into your Google account as well. Tap the saved button at the bottom of this page, and soon after you do that, from the saved page, scroll down. Under your list, you'll be able to find an option that says labeled. Tap it on and you'll be able to see two options. Tap on the home option or the work option and enter your home address in the text box. Soon after you do that, simply press the home icon right where your home is and tap on the save button at the bottom. Once you've done that, you'll be able to add home address on your Google Maps. If you ever want to change your home address, tap on the three dot right next to your home tab and tap on edit home. Now you can drag and adjust your home location by simply moving towards the map and putting this home icon in the correct place right where your home exists. Tap on the save button and you'll be able to change your home address on Google Maps. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.